It's a great day to learn something new. So, I recently found out that NVAR, Northern Virginia Association of Realtors, has a mobile app. So, I wanted to do a quick tutorial on telling you what you can actually do with the app. So, let's get into it. So, this is the home screen, which you'll see. So, you can click on market stats to see what the current market trends are for the area. And it's always going to be based on what the previous month that you're in. So as of the day that I'm recording this video, this is March, so they're talking about February because of course can't do the data that hasn't existed yet. So it's Fairfax County, Falls Church, Arlington, Alexandria. So that's the stats that's on the actual app. And so now we're going to go to events. So the events tells you can actually register. This is everything that's on the calendar, and it's always going to be hovered on the actual day that you're in the app, or you can tap on a different day. So I'm looking at Thursday, the 20th. Don't see anything there that you want to see. So then it skips to Friday and it goes to the next week. And what is beneficial to this is a lot of courses on NVAR are for free. So this, if you need to do your CE credits, this class is actually free if you need to go in a few weeks. So you just click on register and you're registered. So you want to utilize all your real estate benefits for free. This particular class is a first-time home buyer financing class for Maryland. So this particular class is not free, but that's a CE for your Maryland. So not all of them are free, but a lot of them are. So this is ethics training, so that's free. So now moving on, what we want to look at is Realtor Shop. Excuse me. So you can shop for things online. You can have them. You can buy them online, and they'll be ready for you at the Realtor store. So they have books. They have things with the Realtor logo on them. These are car magnets. I saw at Soul. So anything that you can think of, well, not anything you can think of, but whatever they have in their inventory. So if you wanted to purchase it, you could purchase it right there. And you can look up your information for your NVAR, what they have for you. So this is a quick tutorial. The app is free. You don't have to pay an additional fees, monthly fees. So if you need to go to the support center, this is the support center. This is the actual main address. If you need to call NVAR, that's their email. If you need to contact SentryLock, there you are. If you need a staff directory, that's it. Make it a great day, and thank you for watching.